Good afternoon, everyone. Today, my question is what can companies do to limit the pollution? I have three reasons to do some limits for the pollution for the companies. First of all, they have to create a safety entrance for their companies. For example, they have to put an access for each gate to entrance the company. So no one outside the company can be inside the company and get the pollution from outside to inside. Secondly, the minimum of the entrance, which is the exit ways. So if they have fans or have machines that made smoke or bad air or dirty air, so they can close up the exits for their companies. Finally, they have to increase the fans inside the building, so each person can breathe slowly and comfortably without any pollutions, which is a safety way to save their lives. To sum up, that was my reasons to save the companies to have a limit to the pollution outside, so which is cover up the exits and get up safety gates, which is for the entrance, and increase the fans inside the building. Thank you.